In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix display issues or malfunctioning features on TradingView. So if you've been experiencing problems where your chart isn't showing up or certain functionalities aren't working as they should, don't worry. We're going to go through a series of straightforward steps that will help you resolve these issues efficiently. First, let's start by updating your Android system web view if your device allows it. Now, if you're wondering why this is important, here's the scoop. The Android system web view is a critical component that allows native apps to display web content. So when it's not up to date, it might affect how these apps, including TradingView, function on your device. To update it, simply head over to your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Android system web view. If you see an update button next to it, go ahead and click that. You should always ensure this stays current to maintain optimal performance on your device. Next, let's move on to updating the system browser on your device and Google Chrome browser as well. The core reason behind this is that many applications, including TradingView, rely on these browsers to run web content seamlessly. An outdated browser can cause display issues or prevent certain functions from working correctly. So again, you'll want to open the Google Play Store and this time search for Google Chrome first. If the update button is available, tap it to make sure your browser has the latest features and security fixes. Don't forget that some devices have a system browser apart from Chrome, so ensure that's updated as well. Keeping both browsers up to date is vital for a smooth user experience and to avoid potential hiccups when using graphically intense apps like TradingView. Finally, we need to do what we can call a quick reset of TradingView. Sometimes simply turning off the app and turning it back on can solve a multitude of issues. This is because when you restart an app, it reloads all its resources and oftentimes clears up any minor glitches or temporary bugs that might have occurred. So go ahead and completely close the TradingView app on your device. Make sure it isn't running in the background. Then wait just a moment before reopening it. This should refresh the application and hopefully rectify any lingering issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any display problems or non-responsive features you were experiencing with TradingView. Always make it a habit to keep your apps and their supporting components up to date, as this simple practice can prevent a lot of common issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech advice. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.